Now, when we reported how our water companies are allowing 3 billion litres of water to leak away every day, many of you reacted with anger at the Environment Agency's warning that we could face personal water use limits to prevent serious shortages in future.
So, as the South East faces a potential water crisis within the next 30 years, companies are under increasing pressure to stop the leaks. And our environment correspondent Yvette Austin has been given exclusive access to Southern Water's latest weapon. It's called the SmartBall.
The region's water companies are under pressure to fix their leaking pipes. Every day, millions of litres of precious drinking water goes down the drain, and the Environment Agency has criticised the waste. So what are the water companies doing to solve it? I've come to the Water Research Centre in Swindon to see how new technology is helping them. We're here to see a demonstration of something called a SmartBall.
So we roll this through the network. So there's a sponge ball on the outside, metal ball inside with lots of clever electronics inside there. Listens out for leaks, listens out for air pockets, and also traces where the main is, so we can check that against their maps and records.
So it's a listening device?
It's a listening device, so as it rolls through the pipe, it listens out for leaks and air pockets.
This could be metres below the ground. The ball is popped in and carried along with the flow of the water. The electronics picking up any sound around, like a whoosh from a leak. Southern Water is adopting the technology as part of its armoury of weapons in its battle with the leaks. Southern Water loses 88 million litres of water a day. That's 15% of all the water it puts into the supply. By 2025, the company wants to reduce that by 15%, and it's aiming for zero leakage by 2050.
This is the traditional method for detecting leaks. You put it down onto the pipe, listen in.
Newer technologies include drones and sensors.
We are asking our customers to reduce the amount of water they use to under 100 litres per day. And if we're going to be asking our customers to do that, we also need to reduce the amount of leakage that we have.
Data from the SmartBall is translated onto a screen. It can accurately pinpoint a leak within a few metres.
This is an example of a project we've done before. This is where it was inserted, this is where it was extracted. There's a leak here, and that's an example of a leak. So this demonstrates the amount of power, the amount of energy in the leak. We can use that to prioritise leaks so we can repair the ones that need to be repaired.
South East Water is embracing new technology too, clearly the way forward as our region prepares for a potentially hotter and drier future. Yvette Austin, BBC South East Today, Swindon.